ballin' hella hard. What you mean, nigga? Stomp yard. Get in my ground. If you fuck up, get laid down. What you mean? I got your bitch in the crib, rampage to the ground. Beat that shit. Yeah, I'm drilling it. Getting tired all this drilling and this killing shit. Talk about something else, some lyrical shit. What you mean, nigga? Some hysterical shit. No, I'm just joking. What you mean, metaphorist? What you mean, I smoke it up? Going to the moon, I'm floating. What you mean by that? Chilling on them clouds. Got your bitch on my lap. I dig her down. Look at me now. Doing this shit on this beat. I don't really give a fuck, stalking in the streets. So if you talk shit, I got that 2-4. Run up in your crib and put that chrome to your fucking dome. Or I'll have that bitch kill you and take your money. Wait, they do that anyways. Fucking, I don't love them. That was hella funny. But I'll fucking leave you looking like a dummy. What you mean? I'm sipping on that rum, baby. Got a fat ass, shake your bum bum. Going in, what you mean? Tum 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 for that heart attack, bitch. If you fucking do me wrong, going in insane on my membrane. What you mean? I gotta get paid. That's what I know. And I switch that flow every time I fucking rap. What you mean? Young kid, fresh panda in the back. Know that Pontiac, nigga, it's all black. You can't tell us cause we low key and that's a fact. It's fucking JP and that nigga KP. Joey Bros a killer P. Nigga, we do what we want, B. And that's the fucking record label. What you mean? All these bitches staying unfaithful. But I don't really give a fuck. I pass it to my fucking bro and move on to that next hoe and leave these bitches the fuck alone. I don't fall in love with hoes. I just fucking count my dough. I don't fucking love these bitches. I just stay fucking them though. What you mean in them though? I mean, yeah, I'm sliding out. Then I gotta go and get my money. Dick all in the mouth. What you